Hi kids, what's going on? Yeah, it's me, Wicked Penny, but you already knew that. So guys, the hats are flowing in. Look at this little beauty. This is from my friend Terry, who I met in Kansas City, Missouri. When I went to meet Nate and SD Guy. She's a lovely gal. I'm going to see her again real soon. And she sent me this, and she sent me a few little trinket barbecue sauce from Kansas City. We had a great barbecue there. She took us to an amazing meal with friends. It was really, really awesome. Well, anyway, I had a dip plan to make to upload for every Wednesday, for Appetizer Wednesday during football season. So I'm going to do a barbecue with some of the stuff she sent me, but today I'm making something kind of piggish, barbecue-ish, not really, but it's made with bacon. Oh, that wasn't very attractive now, was it? So anywho, we're gonna get right to it. I have some cream cheese in the microwave. Guys, this is so easy to make. I have some cream cheese in the microwave, and I'm just gonna soften it up a little bit. Anybody can make this dip, and it's so good. It's not a hot dip, it's a cold dip. You serve it icy cold, put it on the table, and it'll be gone in a nanosecond. So I'm gonna bendy and walk you through it, and then you yourself can have this fabulous BLT dip at your next party. So it's ready to ding. I'm taking it out. Here we go. I'll do a little bendy. Oh wait, I'm forgetting something. 'Tis a football appetizer. And look at this. A little Buffalo Bills Bud Light in my first class glass. And yes, they didn't serve Bud Light on the plane. They had Miller Lite. So I had a little of that in my first class glass. It makes the beer taste so much better knowing that you paid $1,000 for airfare, right? Right? Oh, delish. Okay, so a bendy. Here we go. All right, can you see? Is it coming in clear? I said, is it coming in clear? Okay, here we go, dudes. Ready? Got 8-ounce brick of cream cheese right here in my magic pie plate, dip plate, you know, whatever you want to use it for. And what I'm going to do is take a half a cup of mayo, and who doesn't put mayo on their BLTs? I know I do. Some people put Miracle Whip. It's got to be mayo. And because I softened up the cream cheese, it's nice, okay? So look how easy it smooths together. I put that ice cold brick of cream cheese in the microwave for 30 seconds, and then this is the consistency we got. This is the consistency we want, okay? While I'm mixing that in, got Lucky Grandma pepper shaker, okay? Fresh ground black pepper goes on a BLT. Well, it does in my house anyway. Or nice beefsteak tomato sandwich. Oh, guys, is your mouth watering? So, a good amount of black pepper, guys, okay? It's the only seasoning in this, so just make sure everything is incorporated good. The mayo and the cream cheese. Guys, football season! Bills are 1-0, baby! What a comeback! I hope your team won for you. If they didn't, there's always going to be another game the following week. And on any given Sunday, right? Okay, so, look at this. That's your base, guys. Okay? Nice. Oh, for fuck's sake. Okay, here we go. Nice. We got the mayo and the cream cheese. Nice. And pepper. Nice. How many times can I say nice? Okay, guys. Now, this is the easy part, okay? Look at this. Some shredded lettuce. Make sure it's shredded fine, okay? Buy the bag. It's even finer than what I got here. I just chopped this with my own knife. Hey, we don't need to wait to see that. Okay, look at that. There's your lettuce. beautiful, beautiful tomatoes. Guys, did you know tomatoes are the #1 ingredient removed from sandwiches in all restaurants in the entire world? I found that interesting. I would have thought like maybe onions would be, but no, it's tomato. I love tomato. So, okay, we got our base, we got our lettuce, we got our tomato, and here's 12 ounces of bacon. Not bacon bits like I sneak all the time and cheat with those guys, but 12 ounces chopped bacon. I am usually super generous, so as you can see, all this bacon. All right? Now, look at that. Okay. What moron can't make that? I mean, really? You want to throw it in the fridge to get that cream cheese and mayo nice and cold again? Guys, I mean, really? The most amazing BLT dip money can buy. Your money. La, 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 la. Delicious. Let's have a little bit on a cracker, okay? Oh, I got a little tip for you. You know I'm always full of tips. Club crackers. You know how people just open them up, take a cracker, throw it in there? Keep a bag right in the box. Then if they open a little package like this and take a cracker out, they'll be more apt to throw it in a plastic bag for you and zip it up than just tossing this in and then you take it out and it's, you know, stale. Okay, here's my knife. Now I'm gonna get a nice big hunk for you. Hunk of burning love, okay? Let me bend you down so you can see. Look. Okay, ooh, ooh, ooh. All right, ready? Look at this. Make sure you get everything. It's nice and soft right now. Could you use tortilla chips? If you keep it soft like this, you could. Ooh, I'm gonna be nice tomato. Another one, right? Look at that, guys. I mean, are you kidding me? Ooh, let me bend you. Oh no! I wanted you to see it. I don't know what happened. I wanted you to see it. I'm trying to do too much, you know, and I'm uncoordinated. You know that. So anyway, in the beginning, guys, I told you that I went to Kansas City to meet, and I met Terry and Nate. Nate Doc in the chats that you know, and Terry's in the chats, and also, well, SD guy. But there were others, guys. Cannot forget Lady Games, very good friend of mine. She's become, over the last few months, she's an amazing supporter, and I'm glad that we've met through YouTube. It's amazing, and it's amazing how you meet so many people. But I also, Jenny D was there, Carrie Dipple and her husband were there. Nate gave me the opportunity to go and meet all these people, and I can't thank him enough. I always thank him, but enough of him. I get annoyed. Plus, at the end of this video, there's another little video of his on Eureka Blast. You know, he's just a fame whore, I guess, but that's what everybody becomes, a big fat fame whore. But anyway, hey, look, my beer, and look at this. Look, bacon and lettuce and the dip underneath, the cream cheese and the mayo. Guys, you have to make this. It's so easy. Did you see that? You're like, simpleton, like me. I'm speechless. For once in my life. Guys, so good. So, make it for your next party. Bring it to a tailgate. Keep it in the cooler till you're ready to serve. You won't be disappointed. Enjoy the video. Have a great day and go Bills! That's so gross. Go Bills! Go Bills. Peace.
Let's do this shit. Oh, great start.
Dirty bitch.
Okay. I'm gonna
Come on,
like,
we need that corner. We need that corner.
Okay.
Yes.
That's
Yes.
better. I need that one and that one, or these two, or just all of them.
Come on. Come on.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Oh
yes.
my gosh! I think Is that eligible for the major? No, I need one more to be eligible for the major. Come on, get it. Oh, shit.
That's eligible, right?
Oh my god, yeah, that's eligible, I think, for the major. Oh, fuck. Oh, why is my... Hey, don't... Oh. My heart's beating so fast. Alright, that's
Okay, press it. Should I press it with the weenie finger?
No weenie finger. Don't... Oh, wait,
Come on.
it did something.
Come on, minor.
I think it's the minor. I think it gives me the minor.
Minor.
I think it did a tell, and it was the minor. Yeah.
500
Hey,
bucks.
$500. That's pretty good.
Woo!
It didn't even show the major, did it?
No.
Oh my god, why is my heart beating so fast? You guys are gonna have a heart attack. Oh. You feel it?
Yeah, I technically could.
I know, it's fast. Okay, well that's good. $520 on a $5 spend's pretty good. Yeah, bitch.